Hello, how are you doing, my people? I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope the week is taking you well. This is Inspire Generations. I'm Tony. I'm so excited to be back with another video. Of course, this is a place where we educate, inform, inspire, and always we seek to support each other. So today I'm back with another video. It's Friday over here. Yesterday it was a Thanksgiving day. It was a Thanksgiving holiday over here. It's known for turkey and turkey and turkey. All right, that's all they eat on Thanksgiving. But I wanted to inform you about something because I know most of you or some of you are going to come over here through green card. Some of you are going to make it to this place via F1 visa. So I want to inform you, to educate you, to inspire you, so that when you come to this place, you know where you're supposed to start from. You know what you're supposed to do. You have the right information to make the right decision. Because I tell you, information is power, and it is so important in this place. It will determine how you're going to make it in this place. That's why you find a very huge difference. Somebody came to this place 10 years ago, but if you ask them maybe of any project that they have done, of any project they are doing, they won't tell you. And then you have another person who came like 5 years ago, and then you go and talk to them. They have a lot of project and things going on in their lives, and they are doing so well. So it's all depend on now the information that you have and how you put that information into use. And so because this is Inspire Generations, I want to make sure that you guys are informed. All right, so there's one thing that I need you to know, guys, because most of us immigrant, when we come to this place, you have to know where you came from. Actually, I think somebody saying that if you forget where you came from, then definitely you don't know where you're going to. All right, so you have to know why you came to this place. You have to know where you came from. All right, so during holidays, that's when we make money. All right, that's when we make money, when we go against the nature. When people are going to celebrate, that's when we go and make money. Okay, and this is how we do it. During holidays over here, they pay what we call time and a half. So let's say if God has blessed you and you're earning $50 per hour, so during holiday you get paid $75 per hour. So they pay you the normal rate, that is 50 times whatever hours that you're going to do for that day. Let's say you're doing 8 hours, that's around 400, and then you have time and a half, that is 50 divided by 2, that is 25, then 50 plus 25, that is 75. So you say 75 times 80. All right, times 8. So you make some good money. That's how we do it. That's how we make some dollars. You make some extra cash. All right, so when you come to this place, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Labor Day, that's when we get to go to work. That's when we pull some more hours. All right, that's when we make sure that we secure those shifts, and so that we can make some extra cash. Okay, because in this place they value holidays, so mostly you won't find them at work. And actually sometimes you can even negotiate some bonus. All right, because this place we are paid in hours. It has the bad side and the good side, but of course it is good. When you go and work for 10 hours and you're earning $30 per hour, that day you're gonna make $300. Okay, so you can easily make money, but of course you have to put effort, you have to work hard, you have to be smart, you have to be a person of integrity. I will tell you something. These white people or Americans, they don't care where you come from. As long as you're a person that they can rely on, you're a person that they can trust, you're a person that they can depend upon when something needs to be done, then you're cool with them. They can, anytime they need somebody to come and do work, or they have an extra shift, they will call you. Hey man, we got something over here. Do you want to come and work? And it's all about organizing yourself. Placing yourself at a position where you can have a good foundation to do well in this life. And to do that, you have to understand the system, you have to understand these people, you have to know how the nature works in this place. And at some point you have to go against the nature. All right, so during Thanksgiving holidays, that's when we get to make some big money. you can easily make over 1,000. Sometimes for those who are nurses, maybe LPNs, that is a licensed practical nurse, or RN, or those are registered nurses, and some other stuff, you can easily make some good kill. You can make some good money. So I just wanted to let you know, maybe you're planning to come to this place next year. That is, that is an opportunity for you to make some extra cash, because, at the end of the day, you come to this place on F1 visa. Of course, I told you guys, you are on F1 visa. You are allowed to work within the school for a period of 1 year before you can request to work outside the school. And that's when you get to pull some more hours. During holidays, you put those 16 hours or 15 hours, and you get some extra cash to keep you moving, to keep you, to keep you pushing on, because in this place you have to work hard, you have to be smart. So this is it. You can easily make over $500 within 10 hours, even $1,000 within 10 hours. It's so easy. But you need to plan yourself. You need to know when to put some more hours and when not to do. During holidays, you can even negotiate some bonus. They'll give you like 200 bonus or $100 bonus for that extra shift that you're going to pull. All right. So guys, I just want to help you, to inform you, to inspire you. If I can inspire 1 or 2 people, then that is my joy. And I'll tell you one thing before I conclude this video. It is possible. There's no situation that is permanent in this life, but you have to work, and you have to believe that you can make it. You have to prepare yourself psychologically, mentally, emotionally, socially, everything, for you to make it in this place. It's not easy, but it is possible. It is possible. You can make it. You can make it big time. All right. So that is it for now, guys. I will be back with another video, especially for international students, those people who want to come to this place on F1 visa, and I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. So this is it for now. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, you like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, so that every time we post a video, then you will be amongst the first people, or to get notified that we have uploaded another video, and so that we can get to grow together. Otherwise, this is it for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.